Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Reeve knives, Mnandi black carbon fiber and Basketweave Damascus blade for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at that? There's lots of goodies when you get the new box of from Reeve knives. You got, of course, your certificate of authenticity with all the specs and the guarantee terms. You get also like an exploded view of your knife with the tool needed, all the parts named, how to reassemble your knife, which is gorgeous, how to take care, how to sharpen, how to clean it, how to maintain your beautiful Reeve knives. You got a decal and of course like a postcard. I think this is for the registration of your knife for the warranty, all held nicely in this beautiful leaflet right over here. And then inside you're gonna find the fluorinated grease Allen key wrench, also from Reeve knives. A pretty cool thing, twice cut once leather pouch, really cool. You're gonna have your microfiber cloth, and inside, yeah, you're gonna have also a knife. Look at this, that's a fantastic knife, guys. Let's just put this back. This is the Reeve knives Mnandi in a Basketweave Damascus blade, which is a gorgeous looking knife, guys. I mean, really tiny, 6.25 inch long overall with a 2.6 inch long blade. I would say roughly the handle overall length is going to be 3.6 inches. So this is a tiny one, guys, and it is a light one, like light. And I mean light. Look at this. You ready? 1.55 ounces in the pocket. It's gonna disappear. Fantastic. This is a frame lock, titanium liners, black carbon fiber scales, dual tone finish handles. Look at the satin flats and the bead blasted, sand blasted edges over here. Nice polished pocket clip, tip up carry only. It is reversible. You can just mount it on this side. That's why this hole is there for. You've got a perfectly centered blade. Would you look at this? And look at the tolerances. Look at how much space you have. Sorry. Here, look at that. It's not touching. It's like fantastically optimized. It's just beautiful. It's a Reeve knives, man. I mean, come on. Look at this. Look at this contrast on this Basketweave blade going on. Fantastic jimping, hollow grind, super slicey, thin stock. I mean, it's elegant. It's a gorgeous looking knife. It's sleek. It's smooth. It's unobtrusive. It's not loud. It's classy. It's classic. It's elegant. It's expensive. This is going to be $650 if you can find one, made in USA. It is a gorgeous gentleman's knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.